Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username in your TradingView account. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log in with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see this dashboard. Now head over to your profile section. Here you can see the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. In this page, you can see your profile at the top. Click on this profile section. You are in your profile page right now. In order to change your username, you need to edit your profile. Here you can see the edit option at the top right corner. Tap on it. Here you can edit your username. You can see the username section at the top. You can just tap on it and modify your username. You can change your username over here. Once you're done, you can tap on this tick mark at the top right corner. And there you go, your username has been successfully changed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.